you guys, it's Abby here with Abby Lee Hair Accessories, and today I wanted to come on and show you an easy hairstyle that I like to do when my hair is dirty and greasy and I still want to look cute and put together without having to go wash my hair. This is a simple 5-minute style that you can do using only bobby pins. I wanted to show a bobby pin hairstyle today because I know everybody has bobby pins. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you this easy hairstyle that you can do. Enjoyed that hairstyle. I wanted to point out real quick, you may have realized that I only used 3 bobby pins for this hairstyle, and that's because I am using Lilla Rose Bobby Pins and they are so much stronger and the quality is so much better than regular bobby pins, and I want to demonstrate that for you briefly. Here is a regular bobby pin from Walmart and here is a Lilla Rose Bobby Pin. I'm going to pull on the sides of this Walmart bobby pin. I'm just going to pull on it. See how that bent right out of shape? I'm going to try and push it back together and you'll notice that this one's forever bent. That's going to end up thrown away. Here is a Lilla Rose Bobby Pin that I have had for over a year now, and I'm not exaggerating. And I'm going to pull on the sides of this. Did you guys hear that click back into place? I'm going to do it one more time to demonstrate. I'm going to pull it apart. My finger's still in there. Click. Clicks right back into place. The quality of these are so amazing. They come in 4 different finishes: silver, gold, rose gold, and black nickel. So you can pick your finish. So many different cute styles. As you can see, these cute pearl ones that I've used in my hair today. I just wanted to show you the quality difference between these bobby pins. If you're going to do this hairstyle with regular bobby pins, you are going to need a pile of bobby pins. If you're using Lilla Rose Bobby Pins, you're only going to need 3. If you try this hairstyle out, please be sure to tag me on Instagram at Abby Lee Martin. I would love to see you in this hairstyle. Also, if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Like this video and share with any friends that you think may be interested. It would help me out a ton. I hope you all have a great day and we'll see you again next week.